What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Excuse, I'm sure my face is looking all red. It is a scorcher today. We've finally got some sun. And as you may have just seen, I got a big boy. Now, for those that don't know what it is, it's pretty much, if you've seen me wash my car, you'll know that I always use a leaf blower at the end. Not only to get like the grill, but also it just makes it heaps easier. I won't do too much talking because that sun is coming in pretty strong. Hopefully we get a bit of that cloud cover there. But essentially this is designed to dry your car. So I'll give you a quick show. It will be quite loud with the microphone, but you just got to see the results. Now when you turn it on, this is a 9-meter hose. You'll see it will stretch right out, and it'll mean I'll be able to go around the entire car and dry it off. This is an absolute game changer in the car cleaning thing. Not sponsored or anything. I've wanted one of these for so long, and I am a very, very lucky boyfriend. Gemma got me this for our 3-year anniversary present. This is my first time using it, so not only is this going to be a bit of a washing video, it's also going to be using this. So I'll probably put in the clips now of me washing it and then cut back to this moment where I'm about to use this. It comes with a few different ends. This is one I always see everyone use. You can also just slide and pull it out and put the new one in. I'm going to use it. I did have it fly off when I turned it on last night, so it sort of is pretty easy to turn. So I'm just going to hold it, and yeah, we'll get to it before it dries onto the car. So I'll upload the clips now of washing this thing. They're not very detailed, they're just, the camera's just sitting there. And let's see how this bad boy works. So I turn it on. As you can see, the hose gets massive, and away we go. As you can see, the water is just gone. So I did miss a tiny spot. As you can see, that bonnet is completely dry, other than the little spots that I've missed, like tiny little drops there. Completely dry. That is unreal. So I mean, it's already proved itself just on one panel. That is so cool. Oh, I'm so stoked. I've wanted one for so long. They are very expensive, so I was never going to buy myself one. But luckily for me, I'm one lucky dude, and Gemma got it for me. So shout out to Gemma in the comments. She deserves it, because this video wouldn't be a thing if she didn't get me such a cool present. So I haven't washed the wheels, ignore them. I'm going to go over them afterwards, but I sort of just want to get a quick wriggle on now with drying the car. I've washed the whole car bar the wheels, So I'm going to get a move on now and go through and dry it before that sun dries it up and leaves those spots. Alright, so I just got finished up with the big boy and I have not touched a single piece of this car with a towel or anything, and I mean the results sort of speak for themselves. It works so well. The only thing I'll need to figure out is a bit better way of like doing the roof, because when you're holding the hose all the way up it sort of drags down and you can see a bit of dirt from where it was laying in the ground and now has touched the side. But other than that, like, that is just so cool. You don't have to constantly, you know, like bend over or do the sprays. Just walk around with a hose. Man, look at that. This color is so sexy in the sun. Damn. Look at that. Now I am going to go over the wheels now and just do them without the gurney, just the a wheel cleaner brush, some soap and just a hose, and then again I'll use the big boy to dry it out because who needs cloths these days. But damn, that's so cool. I love it so much. If you're a girlfriend out there and you want to know a present, the big boy. Now that's just the mini, so it's the mini with a 9-meter hose. I think you can get one that, like, it's got a huge power cord. You can get one that has like, I think, a meter hose, but you have to carry it around with you. That I didn't have to move it once for the whole car, so that is very convenient. However, with the 1-meter hose, you probably wouldn't need to worry about the hose going up on the side of the car, but you would have to carry the thing around. And yeah, as I said, that's the mini. You can get a much bigger one. However, just that mini with the 9-meter hose was $300, so definitely not cheap. So yeah, boys, definitely recommend. Girls, definitely recommend buying for your boyfriend, and he'll probably clean your car with it too. So very, very happy with the big boy. Yes, I know I look like a outback fisherman or something, but it is very hot out there. I think we finally got some cover with that one cloud, but I am so white. I'm going to the Gold Coast for the weekend for our anniversary, so I want to try and not be sunburnt and miserable and in pain. So that's why I look like, I don't know, I can't even say Steve Irwin. That's why I look the way I do. And I have zero regrets.